I'm Shivali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. I just want to start off by apologising that I haven't posted in a few weeks. I have been up north seeing my family and friends, which is really nice. Nice to get out of London for a while. But I am back now and have several exciting videos coming up. So if you haven't yet, I'd really appreciate if you can subscribe. When I'm not away on holiday, I do post science and technology videos every week, and I would really appreciate your support. So, rambling aside, today I'm going to be reviewing a new gadget called the Duolink Speakerbud. So, as you can probably tell, it is a Bluetooth speaker, but it has a secondary gadget hidden inside it. So this is the kind of main form that it comes in. It looks pretty much like any other Bluetooth speaker, a nice kind of square design with this grey and blue design. And you would use it in this way if you're just listening to music on your own or with someone else, where you can have it nearby. But it also breaks into two separate speakers. Which is perfect if you're having a party or something in a busy room where you want the music to be playing from two different areas. So you can keep these 16 feet apart and they'll both play music on their own, which is a really handy feature if you're not listening on your own. So a party would be a really useful time to use the kind of dual design. The fun does not end there though. If I turn them like this, you'll notice that hidden inside, they also have these wireless earbuds. So they charge within the speaker, but you can take them out. If I just click one out there, and use them just as wireless earphones. So you're not just getting one gadget, you're getting three there, which I think is a really cool and quirky kind of design. So if I clip them back together there, on the edges here you can see they've got these two buttons which you press to sync with your phone via Bluetooth, and I've done that already. So if I just open my phone, I would listen to some nice music, but I don't want to get copyrighted, so let's just play some royalty-free music here. So as you can tell, it's got really nice clear sound there, and that's perfect if you're just listening on your own, have the speaker nearby. Now, if I break these into two, you'll notice they seamlessly, let me turn that down a little bit. If I break it into two, they seamlessly split the audio across the two speakers, so there's no kind of lag time or having to wait for one of them to connect. Next, if I take the earphones out, so click that one out there. Not the easiest of headphones to get out, but come on, got one out. And pop those in. You'll have to take my word for it because I don't think you'll be able to hear. But again, the music transfers really seamlessly, there's no lag time. And on these earphones, they actually have little tap functionality, so you can, while you're out and about, tap to go to the next song, to summon Siri, and you can move your finger up and down the earphone to adjust the volume. So it's a really clever design. When you want to just charge your earphones, you pop them back in, get the right one in the right side, pop them back in there, and they will automatically start charging inside the speaker. As you can see in the bottom there's a charging point, so you would simply clip it together, charge it, and your headphones charge as well as the speaker. So I think it's a really, really clever design. Other exciting features is IP54 water resistance. So you could hang it in the shower, you could use it by the pool without worrying about it getting wet. And it has a pretty impressive battery life. So on their own, the earbuds can last around 4 hours, and the speaker can last 6 hours. So if you're having a party or something, you're not worrying about having to keep it on charge, especially when the two are split apart across the room. So that's kind of a little whistle-stop tour of the key features. This is launching today on Kickstarter. So normally it will cost £125, but if you get in there quickly today, you could get an early bird offer of £65, which I think is a bit of a bargain, especially if you're thinking about how much you'd normally pay for earphones and a speaker. You're getting 3-in-1 this time, and it's a fraction of the price of a lot of other speakers and earphones out there. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed. I think it's really cool, and it would be a fun thing to show your friends, especially at a party. So I really hope you've enjoyed that. I will leave the link to the Kickstarter in the description below, and a bit more information about the speaker. And if you've enjoyed it, then please give me a like, give me a comment, and as I mentioned earlier, if you haven't yet, then yeah, please do subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.